Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover assets with Prudential, full guide step by step clearly. To begin recovering your assets with Prudential, visit the official Prudential website. Locate the Customer Service section on the homepage. Click on the Recover Assets link. You will be directed to a page with detailed information about the asset recovery process. Read through the requirements and documentation needed for asset recovery. Gather all necessary documents, such as policy numbers, identification, and any relevant statements. If you do not have your policy number, consider using the Find Your Policy tool. Fill out the online form with the required information. Be sure to provide accurate contact details for potential follow-up. Once you complete the form, review all information for accuracy. Submit the form electronically through the website. If preferred, you may also reach Prudential's customer service by phone for further assistance. Have your documents ready when you call? A customer service representative will guide you through the next steps. If your asset recovery involves a claim, be prepared to discuss the specifics. After submitting your request, you will receive a confirmation notification. This notification may arrive via email or postal service. Keep this confirmation for your records as it contains important information. Prudential will review your request and contact you for any additional information if necessary. Monitor your email or phone for updates regarding your recovery status. Once Prudential processes your request, they will provide instructions on how to access your assets. Follow these instructions carefully to ensure a smooth recovery process. If you face any challenges, don't hesitate to reach out to customer support for assistance. They are available to help you at any point during the recovery process. Be patient, as asset recovery may take some time depending on the nature of your request. Stay organized and keep track of all communications with Prudential throughout the process. Finally, once your assets are recovered, ensure you have a secure plan for managing them going forward. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.